Being minimal is not about having as little as possible. It's about having everything you need when you need it. No digging through apps, no fighting through distractions, no wasting time getting to the thing you picked up your phone to do. Because the truth is, we need our phones. The problem was never having a phone. The problem is when the phone starts becoming the center of everything. But minimal is for those who are done with making their phones the hero of their story. Introducing the Minimal Phone 2, a premium 5G phone built around a full physical QWERTY keyboard, a beautiful AMOLED display, and an aluminum body designed to feel as good in your hands as it looks. It runs Android, so the things you rely on are still there. Maps, banking, music, messaging, photos, payments, work. But Minimal OS changes how you get to them. Simple commands let you send a message, set a timer, make a call, write a note, or add something to your day without bouncing from app to app. The things you need are close. Everything else can wait. Because technology should make life easier, not constantly asking you to come back to it. We don't have to be servants to our phones. Maybe it's time the phone started serving us again. Be minimal.